Can I pet your dog?
Oh, go for it.
Oh. This is exactly what I wanted to wake up to.
So when I'm flying my drone, I use ND filters. That way I can keep the exposure. Basically sunglasses for it, right? Hey, what's up?
They don't know who they're working with.
They don't know. Gimbal while riding the bicycle. So we're at Bostwick MX. A lot of Canadians here. I'm excited to be here and capture their stories, you know. Man, this gimbal is heavy.
Look at this guy. What impeccable timing is that? Good to go now. Ready for the day? Oh yeah. How are you, Brandon?
It's not about me. This is a beauty shot, though. The trees, that ass.
Yo!
What's up?
What's up?
What's going on?
Where'd you get that bike? Holy, don't wreck the camera, brother.
I got a lot of money on me right now.
Just a nice light warm up, you know? Get the day going, sir.
You know what? I had as much exercise as I've had in the last 3 days right there.
Biking down to the end of the lane.
Yeah.
Wow. That'll happen when you drive down to Florida, though.
So I'm here with
Tim Giesbrecht and Thor's Giesbrecht's father.
We're just gonna stand here and narrate all the nice things we like about Wyatt Kerr. I mean, I'm big on complimenting people nowadays instead of tearing them apart. I would start off by saying he keeps a very clean ship there. Look at him sweeping. The bikes look pretty great too.
Yeah, I like the color.
How are you now?
Just standing, B-Rod.
Look at this jabroni. Nice tan hat. I love it. Look at this jabroni. Last night, it was lonely. Where were you?